So again, a wonderful day, my empowerment students. This is a continuation of Empowerment Technology Lesson 4.2. So as a review for the advanced spreadsheet skills, we have the commonly used Microsoft Excel functions, the conditional functions, and the use of Microsoft Excel in market research are the objectives of this lesson. So let's have again the objectives: familiarize the most commonly used function in Microsoft Excel, use several conditional functions available in Microsoft Excel, and use Microsoft Excel as a viable tool in market research and product development. So in the first part of the lesson, we already have a pre-test of what is the Microsoft Excel all about. But now let's have the function of, or the different definition of terms. Accounting number format. This is a number format that is used for accounting. Next is orientation, the angle at which a text is displayed. So, ito yung nakikita ninyo with your monitor if you will be opening your Microsoft Excel or your spreadsheet. Number 3, count, a function used to count the cells with content in a range. So, ito yung bilang, kaya sinabi natin count. Number 4, sum is a function that used to compute for the summation of the number of a range. So, sum, ito yung when you add the numbers together, you can get the sum. So, the symbol for the sum, I will show it on your next video. Average is a function used to compute for the average of the number or range of a range. Then 6, count if, a function used to count the cells with the specified content within a range. So this the different definition of terms will be used when we are going to have a Microsoft Excel demonstration. Sum if, a function used to compute for the summation of a range if a certain condition is met. And then number 8, average if is a function used to compute for the average of a range if certain condition is met. So estimating the product cost using the Microsoft Excel. So copy the information first. And then use the sum formula to get the summation of the values from C4 to C7. The sum formula is sum1 C17 and the type this cell on cell 8. So I will just be recording the demonstration on this, but let's have first the steps. Check if the price will earn a profit. Type the additional information. Then apply the arithmetic formula for subtraction. The result is 2.20 or estimated price is not profitable. Let's make an adjustment. Include the information below and deduct the total from the new slide. The result is 7.80. This is definitely profitable at this price. However, this does not guarantee our product success. So kung papansin nyo class, nilagay muna natin yung steps and I will be showing you the demonstration later about the file. So for the next one is you save your file. Analyzing data using Microsoft Excel. So sample survey food for food products. So ito yon, ito yung example. Circle the letter of your answer. On a scale of 1 to 5, how would you rate the product's quality? How would you rate the product's taste? And how would you rate the product's presentation? So ayun yung scale niya, 1 to 5. So malalaman natin kapag ginawa na natin yung example natin na Microsoft Excel. And then, are you satisfied with the product? Would you recommend the product to a friend? Or how much are you willing to pay for this product? So, magbe-base yan, depende kung anong product na isip niyo per group dun sa sample groupings natin or yung mga may idea na gumawa na nung product. So, if you have the suggestion or comments for the sample survey for food products, you can write it also. So, this is an example of a result. Halimbawa, nagawa na nila yung product nila. So, ito yung result nila for the quality, taste, presentation, product satisfied. And then, they recommend. And then, yung mga profit nila, nakikita nyo rin sa side ng box, naka-check kung kumita ba or hindi. So, to change the orientation of the text, press Control 1. So, to open naman the Format Cells dialog box Alignment tab, specify the degrees 1. So, dito, nakikita nyo, again, yung example ng survey results. So, to determine the average rating of qualities, product presentation, trace presentation, and product, ito yon. Average cells involved. So, and then using the count function will allow us to count the number of cells that contain something. Determine how many people said yes or no if they were satisfied with the product or if they would recommend it to the friend or their friend. We will use the count if function. So, eto naman siya, count if, then open and close parenthesis, range, comma, criteria. The cells where the counting will take place is the range. Criteria is the label of your value that determines if it is to be counted. If we were to determine if we should sell our product or service to the teachers or students, we can use the average if function. So using the average if function, we can average a range if the cell beside it equals to the teacher and our student. Average if uses the following syntax: average if, range, criteria, average, range. So what is range? Range, the range of cells where you want to look for the criteria. And then criteria is a value or label that determines if a cell is a part of the range to be average. Average range is the actual range of cells that will be average. If omitted, the range will be used instead. So this is your test. Sell your product or service in school. So we will not be doing this because it's pandemic. Then we will just have a proposal, sabi ko nga. Encode your data of your profits in MS Excel. Then you use formulas you have learned to determine if your product or service is profitable or not. Lag the customer's age range as well. For example, nakagawa na kayo ng ano nyo, yung proposal product niyo. So, tignan lang natin kung paano nyo gagawin yung formula ninyo sa Microsoft Excel. So, on the next video, I will show you how to use the Excel. Okay. For today's, that's all. Thank you and God bless.